If your drink looks cloudy and smells like apples, you might be holding history in a cup. In early America, unpasteurized apple cider was more popular than water. Why? Because water back then was often contaminated. Cider was the safer bet. Now, unpasteurized cider can ferment naturally. Leave it out and it'll turn into alcohol. Leave it longer and voila, apple cider vinegar. It's packed with probiotics which are great for your gut, but it can also carry risks like E. coli. So drink it fresh, usually within a week or so of production. You'll mostly find it in the fall, fresh from farmers' markets and orchards. It's cloudy because it's packed with all the good natural stuff. Yep, no filtration here. In some places, selling it is restricted due to health risks. But historically, folks let it ferment slightly to keep it around longer. So next time you sip unpasteurized cider, you're tasting a slice of history. Cheers to that. Like and subscribe for more fun facts.